JerryRigEverything presents a detailed teardown of iPhone Air, starting with challenge of separating its titanium exoskeleton from the frame, noting, "There's going to be some fire later." He highlights Apple's innovation with the first use of 3D printed titanium near the charging port and praises Tim Cook's work, saying, "Tim Cook has absolutely been cooking."
And the 3D printed titanium USB-C port.
Inside, the phone houses a 3,149 mAh battery, the new A19 chip, and a unique sensor shift camera system for enhanced stabilization. Jerry sums it up, not a bad thing, obviously, to have an exoskeleton. This teardown highlights Apple's blend of innovation, sustainability, and repairability.
Not a bad thing, obviously, to have an exoskeleton.
Well, that's around 10 minutes saved. See you next time.